Energy Outreach Colorado is a statewide nonprofit whose mission is to ensure that all Coloradans can afford home energy.
Xcel Energy is proud to serve all of our customers across Colorado. Partnering with community-based experts like Energy Outreach Colorado helps us ensure families can stay safe, connected, and able to meet essential energy needs.
The Energy Assist partnership that we have between Energy Outreach Colorado, Xcel Energy, and the Colorado Avalanche through Kroenke Sports has just been a tremendous way to educate and let people know about the work that we do and how we integrate together.
By working together, we support customers facing the greatest barriers and strengthening the communities we serve.
Over time, we're able to serve more and more households every year thanks to the generosity of Coloradans. This work is not going away, and so I think there's a lot of opportunity for us moving forward to continue to develop and enrich the lives of Colorado families.